We'll guide you through how to connect an iPad to a TV wirelessly. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to be able to do, as you can then go and get your iPad screen on it. So you can go and easily show photos, browse things, and go out and present. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. So we are going to need a TV which is going to be able to go and connect to the internet, and make sure the iPad and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Usually they're probably going to be if you have one network, but if you've got internet boosters around the house, you may need to just go and confirm that. You can check that in the TV internet settings and your iPad settings. So for example here, I'm going to go and open up settings on the iPad, and you can go and see we connected GR over to the left there. And I'm also connected to GR on the TV. Now, what we need to do is go and open up AirPlay. So AirPlay is essentially the function which allows us to go and mirror onto the TV. A lot of TVs are going to go and come with AirPlay. On some TVs, you can always go and get an AirPlay app from the TV store. To open up AirPlay, you can come to the home and you may find it here. What you may need to do is go and press the inputs or sources button, and I can go and see AirPlay's down there. So I can tap down and I can then tap across to go and open it up. You may need to go and check whether your TV has it, otherwise you'll need the app, as I said. It's now going to open. Drag down in the top right on the battery, find the mirroring icon, which is this here, and then you can go and tap on the TV, and we're now mirroring.